Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we'll be making a rosemary walnut crusted salmon. Sounds good, right? It's a really simple recipe. Once you've got all the ingredients assembled, it's just going to take 10 minutes in the oven. So let me show you how it's done. The first step is to preheat your oven at 425 degrees. Then you're going to grab a sheet pan, line it with parchment paper, and I have 1 pound of salmon right here. So the first step is we're going to season it to taste with salt. I've got some kosher salt here. Put it directly on the salmon. Now we're going to make a mixture that's going to go over the salmon, and this is going to give it a lot of flavor. We have 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped rosemary, and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red peppers. If you're within the first 3 months after surgery, I would avoid the red peppers. One large garlic clove. I did a little bit more just because I love garlic, but the recipe does call for just 1 large garlic clove. And half a teaspoon of honey. I have a little bit more than half a teaspoon here, but because it's so hard to get it off of the bowl, you see, so half a teaspoon of honey. Okay, and now we're going to whisk this together. And cover the salmon with it. Let's kind of split it in half here first. Now we're going to do the breadcrumb coating. Here in this little bowl, I have 3 tablespoons of unseasoned panko breadcrumbs and also 3 tablespoons of finely minced fresh walnuts. I'm going to mix these 2 together evenly in this bowl. So half and half breadcrumbs to walnuts. This adds some really healthy fats and fiber. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil so it sticks together a little bit better. And I'm going to divide this evenly between the 2 pieces of salmon. And then lastly, we're going to spray it with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray, just so that it all sticks together before we place it into the oven. And then we're going to put this in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, so there it is. I actually cooked it for a whole 15 minutes. I just felt I wanted to make sure that it was cooked all the way through. I've got the plate here. I'm not going to plate a portion for 1 person because, of course, this is a very big plate, but I'm just going to place the salmon there so it looks nice. Oops, all right, so that lets me know that the salmon is well cooked because it flaked up really easily. And that's it. That's ready to serve. That is the final product. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.